Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best trailer plug is probably one of the most important yet overlooked components of your towing setup. A reliable 4-way flat trailer plug ensures your taillights, brake lights, and turn signals function correctly, enhancing safety and preventing accidents. This video will delve into what makes a great 4-way flat connector, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs and ensuring safe and legal towing. Number 5. Hopkins 48192 Endurance Connector. This innovative connector combines professional-grade durability with quick and easy installation. It's the perfect solution for a fast, reliable trailer repair. Say goodbye to complicated repairs. It's designed for ease of use, saving you valuable time and effort. Built-in LED test lights quickly confirm electrical connections, ensuring a safe and secure setup. No more guesswork. It features a durable dust cover to prevent corrosion and a wire retention plate to keep everything in place. It's built to last. The ergonomic pull finger grips provide easy handling and prevent wire strain, making installation a breeze. It's designed with you in mind. The internal splicing protects the connections from the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability, even in harsh conditions. What we like. It boasts a user-friendly design that makes repairs a breeze. The built-in LED lights provide a simple way to check the electrical connections. If you value ease of use and durability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Exact fit to replace my old end. The built-in light tester LEDs are a great touch and helpful for speedy checking prior to getting out on the road with a trailer. The two things I liked about this was the fact that there were LED test lights on this connector to indicate that the connection was good and how easy it was to install. Number 4. WOFTD 4-way trailer harness. This harness is built to last with 18 AWG brass wires, able to withstand temperatures below 105 degrees Celsius and voltages below 300 V. Its durable, rubber-insulated design ensures reliable performance and prevents corrosion. It's designed for a secure connection, protecting against the elements and ensuring a long lifespan. The robust construction guarantees a safe and dependable connection for your trailer. This 4-pin harness easily splices into your existing trailer wiring. Connect your taillights, brake lights, and turn signals with ease. The 5-foot cable provides ample length for flexible installation, making it easy to reach your trailer's wiring. This extra length simplifies the installation process. It's a complete solution for connecting your vehicle to your trailer. We're confident it will meet your needs and provide years of reliable service. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are always here to help you. What we like. This one provides extra length for flexible installation, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. The high-quality brass wiring ensures reliable performance. If you need a longer cable and prioritize durability, this is the option for you. What people say. Nice quality, well designed, easy to install, especially more compact dimensions makes it easy to snake through trailer tubing. The plug on this is pretty nice and sturdy. Value and quality great. Connected the new cable to the trailer, it functions well with plenty of slack. Number 3. 4-way trailer wiring harness. This 4-way flat trailer harness is designed for easy and reliable connection to your trailer. It's made with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. It features a durable construction with brass connectors and insulating rubber for protection against corrosion and wear. It's built to withstand various weather conditions. This harness ensures safe operation with a safe temperature below 105 degrees and a safe voltage below 300 V. You can trust it to perform reliably. With a convenient 5 feet 1.5 m lead length, it's compatible with standard 4-way flat sockets. Installation is simple and straightforward. It seamlessly connects your trailer's tail lights, brake lights, and turn signals, ensuring optimal visibility and safety. It's a must-have for any trailer owner. We take pride in the quality of our products. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us for prompt assistance. What we like. It offers a convenient 5-foot cable for flexible installation, and a pure copper ensures excellent conductivity. The corrosion-resistant materials guarantee long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution, this is a great option. What people say. This type of trailer lights plug is much easier to use and stronger than the ones you have to tape around, much more functional and less likely to wear out and weather better than taped ones. This is better quality than what was on there, and I am confident it will hold up long term. This is an excellent plug unit and especially like the molded connector end with wires completely enclosed inside soft flexible vinyl cover. Well made and good value. Wires might be a little heavier, gauge 18. Number 2. Hopkins 48125 Trailer Kit. This Hopkins 48125 trailer kit is a must-have for your towing needs. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting durability. With its 48-inch long wires, it provides ample reach for various trailer setups. Installation is simple and straightforward. It comes with 3 splice connectors, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. No need to source additional parts. The wire functions are clearly printed for quick reference. This makes installation and troubleshooting a breeze. It features corrosion-resistant terminals for long-lasting performance and reliability. It's built to withstand the elements. This kit meets SAE standards, guaranteeing safety and quality. You can trust it for your towing needs. What we like. This offers a generous wire length and includes multiple connectors for easy installation. It's built to meet industry standards, ensuring a safe and reliable connection. If you need a longer cable and multiple connectors, this is the one for you. What people say. Works as should, would buy again. Got my lights back working, easy to splice and nice to have the length they are. Worked great and just a good length. Number 1. Hopkins 7-2-4 Blade Adapter 47345. This adapter makes towing easy. It eliminates the need to rewire your vehicle or trailer if the connectors don't match. Just plug it in and go. Get your trailer lights working in seconds. It's that simple. Built-in LEDs help with troubleshooting. It works with any vehicle that has a 7-blade connector. No matter the make or model, it's ready to tow. It's weatherproof and made from tough, durable materials. A dust flap protects the connectors when not in use. It provides a tight fit, preventing accidental disconnections, even on bumpy roads or in bad weather. The Hopkins 7-2-4 blade adapter is your solution for simple, reliable trailer connection. What we like. It seamlessly connects different connector types without rewiring. The LED indicators simplify troubleshooting, and the weatherproof design ensures reliable performance in any condition. If you need to adapt between 7-blade and 4-flat connectors, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The function is great and 4-pin plugs slip on without any issue. I like this. Worth the couple dollars extra to have the lights confirming connection. Works exactly as described. Great product, shows any non-working slot in trailer lights. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.